How to color grade in CapCut. Alright guys, so your first step would be to head over to media and simply click on import and select the clip you'd like to import. So once you found the clip you actually want to import, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on it and then simply click on open, and that clip will be added to your media bin. All you need to do now is simply drag that clip onto the timeline. Once you have, you can now head over to adjustments, and where we have basic, go ahead and click on this option. Scroll till you find adjustments. Make sure adjustments are turned on. That way you can simply edit the colors and the temperature of your clip. So if you want your clip to be more saturated, all you need to do is just simply increase the saturation. You can see a visible difference in the clip. And then if you want to change the hue, you could either drag it forward or drag it backwards. It just works that way. And for the temperature, it's the same thing. You could make it warmer or you could make it colder. It just depends on what you're aiming for. You could also increase the brightness, and you could also increase the contrast as well as highlights, and you could reduce the shadows, increase the illumination, and you could now sharpen your video a little bit, and you could add a fade to it. And then once you're done, just go ahead and click on export. Now, if you also want to adjust the individual colors within your clip, just head over to HSL, and on here you could change the hue of each color. You could make each color a bit more saturated than it needs to be, and you could also reduce the brightness or increase it for every single color. So you could also change, the position of every single color on the color scheme. You could also increase the saturation for every single color while making sure your video maintains consistency with your colors. All right, guys, and that's it. Once you're done, just go ahead and export, and that's it.